What is Algorand? Algorand is a decentralized network built to solve the blockchain trilemma of achieving speed, security, and decentralization simultaneously. Launched in June 2019 by computer scientist and MIT professor Silvio Micali, Algorand is a permissionless and open-source blockchain network upon which anyone can build. Algorand is designed to be a payments-focused network with rapid transactions and a strong focus on achieving near-instant finality. That means processing over 1,000 transactions per second and achieving transaction finality in less than 5 seconds. Algorand uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and distributes validator rewards to all holders of its native algo cryptocurrency. Through a strong throughput capacity and equitable community incentivization, Algorand is capable of managing the high throughput requirements of widespread global usage and a variety of use cases. As a public smart contract blockchain that relies on staking, Algorand is currently capable of hosting decentralized application development and providing scalability. Rising gas fees on Ethereum have led many dApp developers and decentralized finance traders to look for alternative blockchain solutions, with some turning to Algorand as an Ethereum alternative for dApp development and DeFi applications. Algorand also allows developers to use the Algorand Standard Asset Protocol to create new tokens or to transfer existing tokens to the Algorand ecosystem. For example, stablecoins like UST and USDC also exist as assets on the Algorand blockchain and enjoy much higher throughput and much lower transaction fees than what is typical on Ethereum. Further, as central banks continue to research networks to host their central bank digital currencies, Algorand has become a viable option and has been chosen to host the Marshall Islands CBDC. Algorand Protocol Structure. Algorand has a unique two-tiered blockchain structure. The base layer supports smart contracts, asset creation, and atomic swaps between assets. All of these processes take place on Layer 1 of the Algorand blockchain, which helps ensure security and compatibility. On this first layer of the Algorand network, platforms and users can create assets which represent new or existing tokens on the Algorand blockchain. This is similar to how ERC20 tokens function on the Ethereum network. In regards to security, simple smart contracts on the Algorand platform execute as Layer 1 Algorand smart contracts, which means they maintain the same level of security as the consensus protocol itself. The second layer of Algorand is reserved for more complex smart contracts and dApp development. It's this bifurcation of the network, between Layer 1 and Layer 2, that allows Algorand to process transactions so efficiently. With more complex smart contracts taking place off-chain, simple transactions can be processed more quickly on Layer 1 without being bogged down by larger, more complex smart contracts. Algorand Staking Mechanism. Pure Proof of Stake. Algorand uses a unique variation of proof of stake called Pure Proof of Stake. Poses a highly democratized POS consensus mechanism with a low minimum staking requirement for participating in and securing the network. Only one algo coin is required to participate. By contrast, Ethereum 2.0 requires a minimum stake of 32 Ether, an amount which establishes a much higher barrier to entry for users. Conversely, a low minimum staking requirement may adversely affect network security, as network participants may be less incentivized to behave optimally when they don't have substantial value staked on the network. Algorand's native cryptocurrency, Algo. Algo is the native Algorand cryptocurrency, and is the cornerstone of its network structure. As part of Algorand's unique protocol design, the rewards paid to validators for producing blocks are split and distributed among all Algo coin holders, rather than being awarded only to block producers. This means that all Algo coin holders can earn about 7.5% annual percentage yield, as of February 2021. Reward distribution takes place about every 10 minutes and is intended to encourage users to join the Algorand staking platform and accelerate the path to decentralization. To make this process even easier, Users don't have to actually stake the coin themselves as part of the block production and validation process, but can simply hold algo in a non-custodial wallet or on an exchange to access earned rewards. In this sense, Algorand has achieved near automation, as stakers can passively hold algo while also supporting the network. There is a hard supply cap of 10 billion algo coins, which is allocated as follows. 3 billion algo to be released into circulation over the first 5 years. 1.75 billion algo estimated to be distributed over time as rewards for participation nodes. 2.5 billion algo will be distributed over time to relay nodes. 2.5 billion algo are reserved for the Algorand Foundation and Algorand Incorporated. 0.25 billion algo to be distributed for end-user grants. Like many blockchain-based projects working toward an optimally equitable coin distribution process, Algorand's decentralization of its algo coins is an iterative process. The Algorand Foundation currently holds a large amount of algo, which critics claim makes the protocol centralized in the short term. However, Algorand's democratized reward distribution mechanism is built to mitigate network centralization over a longer time frame. The Algorand Foundation. Launched in 2019, Algorand is a relatively young protocol. A non-profit organization called the Algorand Foundation oversees the funding and development of Algorand Inc. and the Algorand protocol itself. The Algorand Foundation supports developer education in universities and educational settings. Its global university program includes prestigious universities like MIT, UC Berkeley, and other leading institutions around the world. The Algorand Foundation also sponsors blockchain events, hackathons, educational classes, and certifications. The Algorand Foundation further launched 2 accelerator programs in 2020, Algorand Asia Accelerator and Algorand Europe Accelerator, which focus on assisting ongoing projects and developers interested in building on Algorand. These programs provide promising projects with end-to-end support from strategy formulation all the way to launch in an effort to help the Algorand ecosystem grow and thrive. A relative newcomer in the blockchain space, Algorand has already proven to be a powerful platform with strong tech innovation, developer support, and real-world use cases. Algorand's highly equitable coin reward structure and consensus mechanism is pioneering a new standard in blockchain, and expectations are growing fast for the Algorand endeavor.